Hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel. This look I have created for the office, college and the journal meeting you have to in office. So we have easily carry this look. That's a very wearable and light makeup look. If you are not going anywhere, that's the market, shopping, etc. If you like this look, please keep on watching and let's be started. We have washed my face and firstly I have applied the Mama Earth toner. I take this to my palm and push it on my face. Next I have using the MAC Cafe tea tree serum and I take it the 2-3 drops and press it all over my face, neck. I have very sensitive and lot pores skin, guys. So next I have to use the Nutriderm moisturizer. That is very nice and lightweight moisturizer. I take it that to my finger and dab it all over my face. That is the most important step. You have to done this before you apply anything on my face. And next we have use the sunscreen. I have to use the Lakme sunscreen, must have. Before step out house, you have definitely apply the sunscreen, a good amount of the sunscreen layering in your face. Always dab it there, not rubbing there. There are leave there the good layer of the sunscreen. Dabbing motion, always apply the sunscreen, leave it to 5 minutes, then you apply the next layer. That next I have using the Biotic lip balm. That is little bit pigment, so I am very liking this lip balm recently and very hydrated to my face. Next I have using the that's Lakme 925cc cream. I take it and warm it to my palm and apply all over my face. We all know that the morning time we have a hurry and don't take a makeup sponge and brush and use it your finger. That is very nice. Apply the anything the CC cream, BB cream, that you have to say that I am very nicely blended that. And next I have using, take a beauty blender. If you have time, take a beauty blender and dab it all over your face. That nothing is out, that the summer season has been very sweaty. That is, brush it all over yourself and exit all the extra product. Next I have using the Maybelline compact. I have taken the brush and tap it all over my face and I have pushed it, not rubbing there, guys. So if you have the winter summer's time, you have applied that that non moving. I have again take it the beauty blender and press it the my under eyes area and my T-zone. That is very sweating to my face. This time I have very oily and sensitive skin, guys. Next I have using that is a random the eyebrow pencil. I have buy in Amazon. That I have forgot the name. I have firstly line up my eyebrow and light handed and fill up there, and back of that they have given the comb. I comb it very well my eyebrows. Next I have using and the mascara. The Maybelline mascara doesn't go with the eyeshadows, doesn't go with the anything else. You have done just the eyebrow, apply the mascara and good layer of the lipstick. If you have to want to a pinkish stitch, apply the lipstick, mascara and eyebrow. That is very essential for to apply that. Next I have using the lipstick. I have using the NYX Shakti collection lipstick. That is nude shade. In the summer's time we have already used, and this the first look you have to wear this to go in your office. And that is very soft tinted look. You are just quickly in 5 minutes. I have to next I have to apply the brown kajal pencil for the Lakme. If you had apply want to be apply, you have to go with the kajal pencil. So I have applied this my waterline and tight line and take a butt and smudges that are not apply the so harshes and very nicely apply that and rubbing that I have taken the mascara and apply the good one more layer of my eyelashes. Next, I have taken the Maybelline mousse powder, taken my finger pump and dab it all over my face and blended with my beauty blenders. Next, I have using the Miss Clear lipstick shade, that is the pink color. You have variable this, and the third shade is the Darling Isabella, that the brown tinted brown shade, that is I loving that. That the third look you have to create this, guys. If you had time, you go with the kajal and the blush. Otherwise, you have to apply the eyebrow pencil and the mascara and lipstick. That's it. If you are liking this look, please like my channel, subscribe, and thank you so much for the watching. Thank you. So love you too. Bye.